Hello, my name is Denisenko Denis. In this video, we will go over the Smart Pass feature in the Dolphin Anti-Detect browser. This feature simulates manual text input on the keyboard. When text is pasted from the clipboard, you will be able to see on the screen that the text is being typed out automatically. This is an important feature, as more and more anti-fraud systems are analyzing even the smallest behaviors and actions of users on websites. For example, how the user moves the mouse across the screen, whether they type the text themselves or copy it from the clipboard. Copying a login and password from the clipboard signals to the system that this might not be a real user and that they should be scrutinized. To use the feature, simply right-click on the input field and select the Smart Pass option. You can also use Smart Pass with keyboard shortcuts. For Windows and Linux, the shortcut is Ctrl-Shift-B. For macOS, it's Command-Shift-B. Remember, all new users get a 20% discount on their first payment with the promo code YouTube. If you pay for any plan for a year in a single payment, you automatically receive a 40% discount. Don't forget to comment on the tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the latest news and project updates. Thank you for watching.